Hi guys, welcome back. Let's remove the background behind the tree in Photoshop, leaving the tree as a subject, and it's fast. It's only done in 30 seconds. So to do this, Ctrl J to duplicate the image layer, go to channels and then select only the blue channel, select the blue channel and then go to image adjustments and then curves, and then drag it down so that there are plenty of black areas so that it acts as the area for the subject and the white area for the background, and then click on OK, and then afterwards click on select color range and then select the white one, click on the white area and then click on OK. Afterwards you select all of the channels, and then for this double click OK, and then hit the delete button, the key on your keyboard, so that it's deleted just like this, and then put it into the bin to delete it. And then to delete the parts that you don't want, click on the eraser tool to erase the area that you don't want from this image, leaving only the tree. Just like this. And that's how you can quickly remove the background behind the tree in Photoshop. Pretty easy, isn't it? So guys, thanks for watching guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But from me, it's good day. Ciao. And then you can color the background with any color that you want, or put any object behind the tree. Pretty easy.